On Friday, 8 May 2020, the Republican President of Zambia, Dr. Edgar Lungu, gave his fourth COVID-19 address to the nation. In his address to the nation, President Edgar Lungu directed that all examination classes resume on the 1st of June 2020. The president has expressed concern in that the school calendar has lagged behind and would want to ensure that others in examination classes are not further affected.
All classes of our learners are important for the education of our children. We must cautiously and strategically manage the reopening of the schools in light of the COVID-19. It is for this reason that in the context of the new normal, I am directing that the first classes be reopened in both primary and secondary school examination classes, and this be on the 1st June 2020, again on condition that schools enforce all public health guidelines, regulations, and certification, as I have said earlier.
The head of state has stated that government will continue to monitor the situation before considering normalizing the entire education calendar. President Edgar Lungu has directed casinos, restaurants, cinemas, and gyms to revert back to their normal operations. The head of state has maintained that bars and taverns will remain closed.
I wish to direct the reopening of cinemas, gymnasiums, and casinos, again in line with the new normal, while adhering to the prescribed public health guidelines, regulations, and certification. As you are all aware, many businesses such as hotels, lodges, tour operators, internet cafes, as well as event management companies voluntarily closed as a result of the COVID-19, so as to protect themselves, their employees, as well as their clients. I therefore wish to appeal to the proprietors to consider the possibility of getting back to normal operations while observing public health guidelines, regulations.
Meanwhile, the total accumulative number of COVID-19 positive cases has increased to 165, following 14 positive cases confirmed out of the 683 tests conducted.
Men and women. In the last 24 hours, Zambia has recorded 14 positive cases out of 683 tested. These comprise 6 truck drivers tested in Chirundu, 2 healthcare workers in Lusaka and Kawe, 1 contact to a positive case, 1 from routine screening at Ndola Central Hospital, and 3 patients from health facility screening and 1 Tanzanian Lorimet screened in Chizabombwe.
Sandra Banda reporting for Movie TV News in Lusaka.